Good evening, class. In the last lecture, we were solving the sums. In that problem, we are finding the slope of the line and intercept of line at x-axis and y-axis. Means we finding x-intercept and y-intercept. Also find the equation of straight line. इस लाइन की हमने इक्वेशन फाइंड की. Now in this lecture, we are studying point of intersection of two lines. Point of intersection of two lines. In this one, we want to find two lines are intersection at a one point. ये point हमको find करना है. Means two line जब intersect करती है at one point, वो point हमको find करना है. Consider two lines L1 and L2 with the lines. Two lines are L1 is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, and L2 is A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. This is line 1 and this is line 2. Intersect at point P, xy. Intersect at point P, that is P is a x and y. Then P lies on the both line and it must satisfy both lines. P lies दोनों लाइन पे P दिख रहा है. P lies दोनों लाइन पे है P, so must be satisfy both lines. Means इस लाइन में भी P है and इस लाइन में भी P है, so P is the intersection point. In other words, we can say that the point of intersection is obtained by solving equation of L1 and L2, means line 1 and line 2 simultaneously by another method, that is elimination or determinant. Now take one example. Find the intersection of this one line 1 and line 2. This is line 1 L1. We can say x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, and we want to find the intersection of this line. Means this is the L1 and this is the L2, so we want to find this point P x y. हमको ये point find करना है. So ये equation को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, and this is the second line, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. This line we can also write in 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, because here 7 is positive plus, so going opposite side, so minus sign is changed, so minus 7 is equal to 0. Now we take equation number 1 and 2 of intersection point. Find the point of intersection. We solve this equation simultaneously. Multiply equation 1 by 2. Means equation 1 को हम multiply by 2 करेंगे. So 2x plus 4y plus 10 minus 10, because of this plus 5 going opposite side, so they give minus sign. So now multiply by 2, so they give is equal to 10. So 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now on subtract equation 2 from 3, this is equation 3, so 2 from 3, so give 2x plus 4y is equal to 10, and minus, because we are subtracting, so minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So here take a minus, so minus, and here minus sign change is plus, here plus 7, so we are subtracting, so this sign is minus. So these are 0 plus 4 minus 3 means here plus, so 7y, and here minus 7, that is 3. So y is equal to 3 by 7. Now putting the y is equal to 3 by 7 in equation number 1, means in this equation we are putting, so x plus 2 3 by 7 is equal to 5. Now to multiply by 3 means it is 6 by 7. Now 6 by 7, 6 divided by 7 is equal to 5. So these are 7 are divided, so going opposite side, so they are multiplied by, so 5 multiplied by 7 and divided by 6, so 7 by 6. ऐसे हम कर सकते थे, but they are not a multiplication with x, they are minus sign with x, because of this term are multiplied by 2 but whole term are plus with x, so they are plus addition है, so उधर जाके subtraction होगा, so x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 7. Now 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 minus 6 divided by 7, so that is 29 divided by 7. Now हमको दोनों पॉइंट मिल गए x and y, so that is a p is a xy. Point of intersection line 1 and line 2 is 29 by 7 and 3 by 7. This is the 2 points x and y. So this is the intersection point. Find the equation of a line passing through the point of intersection of a line 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, 5x minus y is equal to 7 and passing through point this. Means two लाइन दी हुई है, वो लाइन पास हो रही है 1 minus 1 से, and find the equation of line. So these are two equation of line are given, and one line passing to intersection point and another point that is 1 minus 1, two line दिए हुए. These are equation of line are given L2 and L1, and जो हमको लाइन फाइंड करनी है वो मिड पॉइंट से इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है एंड ऑल्सो इंटरसेक्ट विथ ए इज अ पॉइंट ऑन अ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन. मीन्स हमको ये फाइंड करनी है, सो उसको हम रिक्वायर्ड लाइन बोलेंगे. दैट इज अ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन, मीन्स हमको वो चाहिए, तो इस लाइन का हमें इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है. नो L1 and L2 are given, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, call equation number 1, and 5x minus y is equal to 7, call equation number 2. Now we are already giving a midpoint, that is the intersection point, that is A, वो भी हमको P फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. वो के एग्जाम्पल में हमने देखा था वो, this is a point on the required line. इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे, मीन्स p का वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे, और ये हमको पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, सो 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म का हम फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. सो ये पॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे, सो ये दिया हुआ है, सो 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म यूज़ करके हम इस लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करेंगे. नो फॉर इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट, find the intersection point p x y, solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So equation 2 multiply by 3 plus equation 1, means equation 2 को हम multiply by 3 करेंगे, so 5 multiply by 3 means 15x minus 3y is equal to 7 multiply by 3 means 21, so 15x minus 3y is equal to 21 plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So इसका एडिशन 17x and this addition is 0. So 21 plus 13 is equal to 34. So x is equal to 34 divided by 17. Then 17 to the 34. So x is equal to 2. Now we put x is equal to 2 in equation number 1. In this equation we put x is equal to 2. So there 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now here 4 is plus going opposite side, so they are subtract with 13. So 3y is equal to 13 minus 4, that is 13 minus 4 means 9, and 3 are multiplied by y going opposite side, so they are divided. Y is equal to 9 divided by 3 means 3 3s are 9, so y is equal to 3. Now the intersection point P x1 y1 is 2 3 because of x is a 2 and y is 3. Now required line passing through 2, 3 and 1, 1. ये required line पास हो रही है 2, 3 and 1, -1 से. इक्वेशन ऑफ अ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन इन 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म. अभी हम 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म यूज करेंगे, दैट इज y माइनस y1 डिवाइडेड बाय y1 माइनस y2 इज इक्वल टू x माइनस x1 डिवाइडेड बाय x1 माइनस x2. नाउ वी आर पुटिंग x1 y1 वैल्यूज इन x2 y2 वैल्यूज. सो y माइनस 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 माइनस माइनस 1, here minus minus plus, and x minus 2 and 2 minus 1 means 1, here plus, so 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 4 multiplied by x minus 2 and 1 multiplied by y minus 3 means that is same, y minus 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by x minus 2. Now 4 multiplied by x and 4 multiplied by 2, so 4x minus 8. Now these term are plus going opposite side, so they get sign are changed, minus y plus 3, so minus 8 plus 3, so they give minus 5 because there are subtraction, one is positive and one is negative, so they get subtract. So minus 8 plus 3 give minus 5. So this is the equation of that line. So required equation of line is 4x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, find the equation of a straight line passing through the point intersection this and this, line 1 and line 2. Line 1 is 4x plus 3y is equal to 8, x plus y is equal to 1, and parallel to the line 5x minus 7y is equal to 3. ये इंटरसेक्शन है, हमको वो फाइंड करना पड़ेगा पॉइंट, एंड वो लाइन इज पैरेलल टू अनदर लाइन. एक लाइन दी है उसको पैरेलल हो गई, मीन्स ये इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट P एंड दिस रिक्वायर्ड लाइन पासिंग थ्रू इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट एंड अनदर लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दैट लाइन, मीन्स अनदर लाइन मीन्स दिस लाइन आर पैरेलल टू रिक्वायर्ड लाइन. मीन्स पैरेलल होगी मीन्स उसका स्लोप सेम रहेगा, इन दोनों का स्लोप सेम रहेगा. वी आर स्टडीड पैरेलल लाइन्स आर सेम स्लोप, इक्वल स्लोप. Now L1 and L2 means line 1 and line 2. 4x plus 3y is equal to 8 and line 2 is x plus y is equal to 1. These are the first line and second line, and their intersection between one line is passing and another, these line are parallel to this one. So now we are first finding this point. So L1 and L2. So L3 is a third line, this is third line, 5x plus 7y is equal to 3. One है, required line are passing through the intersection point L1 and L2 and parallel to L3. मुझे हमको जो फाइंड करना है वो लाइन इंटरसेप्ट हो रही है एंड पैरेलल टू अनदर लाइन, दैट इज थर्ड लाइन. सो P भी द इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट L1 and L2. L1 and L2 इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है, वो पॉइंट P है, उसको हम फाइंड करेंगे. टू फाइंड इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट ऑफ लाइन 1 and line 2, solve the equation of a line simultaneously. So equation 2 multiply by 4, subtract equation 1. Now equation 2 means this, multiply by 4, so 4x plus 4y is equal to 4, subtract with this, so minus here x's are subtract. Now 4x 4y minus 3y means y, and here 4 minus 8 is minus 4, so y is equal to minus 4. Put in equation number 2. So equation number 2 is x plus y is equal to 1, so x plus minus 4 is equal to 1. Here 4 is minus 4, going opposite side, so they take plus 1 plus 4 means x is equal to 5. The intersection point P x1 y1 is 5 minus 4, x is 5 and y is minus 4. So p is a 5 minus 4. Now required line is a parallel to L3. Required line is a parallel to L3 means slope of a required line is equal to slope of L3 means जो required line है उसका slope equal होगा लाइन 3 के स्लोप से, वो दोनों का स्लोप इक्वल रहेगा. कंडीशन ऑफ पैरेलल लाइन. सो नाउ फर्स्ट वी आर फाइंडिंग स्लोप ऑफ थर्ड लाइन. सो m इज इक्वल टू माइनस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x डिवाइडेड बाय कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y. सो लाइन 3 कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज 5 एंड कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y इज 7. सो माइनस 5/7. So minus 5/7. So here minus 5. So minus 5 and minus plus. So 5/7. So slope of a required line is 7/5. Because of third line slope is 5/4. So slope of a required line means हमको जो फाइंड कर रहे हैं उसका भी स्लोप 5/7 ही रहेगा. Now required line passing through P point. First, this required line is passing through this point and parallel to this means their slope is having slope m 5/7. So we using equation of required line in a slope point. हमको slope है और point है, so हम slope point form use करेंगे. That is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So we put x1 y1 and slope y minus minus 4, so that is plus 4 and 5/7. So 7 are divided here, so going opposite side they are multiplied and 5 multiplied by x and 5 also multiplied by 5, so they are given. And here 7 multiplied by y and 7 multiplied by 4, so 7y plus 28, 5x minus 25. So now these are 7 plus, so going opposite side they are minus. So 25 minus 7y minus 28 and minus 25. So minus 28 and minus 25, they are both terms are minus, so we take here addition, but they get sign minus 53. So दोनों के एडिशन करेंगे तो 53 मिलेगा. This is the equation of required line. So equation of a required line is 5x minus 7y minus 36 is equal to 0. This is the equation of required line. Now find the equation of a straight line which pass through the point intersection of the line, these two lines. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, 5x minus y is equal to 7, and perpendicular to the line 2x minus 5y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now इस सम में हमने क्या देखा, दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है, वो पॉइंट P है और उस लाइन में से रिक्वायर्ड लाइन जा रही है, मतलब जो हमको फाइंड करना है वो लाइन जा रही है, और अनदर लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस वन. नाउ इन दिस, तो हमने वो फाइंड किया. नाउ इन दिस एग्जांपल हमको टू लाइन दी हुई है एंड लाइन पास हो रही है इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट में से, मतलब P से, और अनदर लाइन इज परपेंडिकुलर टू रिक्वायर्ड लाइन. रिक्वायर्ड लाइन मीन्स हमको जो चाहिए वो रिक्वायर्ड लाइन को वो परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस लाइन. तो अभी हम ये दिया हुआ है तो हम उसका यूज करके हम रिक्वायर्ड लाइन फाइंड करेंगे. गिवन इक्वेशन लाइन 1 एंड लाइन 2. सो 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. We take equation number 1, and L2 is equal to 5x minus y is equal to 7. Equation number 2. Let P be the intersection of point L1 and L2. They are L1 and L2, and P is the intersection point, and passing through required line, here required line passing through P, and another line L3 is perpendicular to the required line. So now first we find this point, intersection point. For intersection point, to find the point of intersection, solve the equation line simultaneously. Equation 2 multiplied by 3 plus equation number 1. इस equation 2 को multiply by 3 करेंगे, so y निकल प्लस माइनस निकल जाएगा. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 9 multiplied by 3 is 24, 24 multiplied by 3 is 36. So 2 plus 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 3 is 36. So सो गिविंग वैल्यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, तो हमको एक्स की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. सो 15x माइनस 3y इज इक्वल टू 21 बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. इन इक्वेशन 1 इज 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So these are 0. 15x plus 2x means 17x is equal to 34 because 21 plus 13 is equal to 34. So x is equal to 34 divided by 17. We know that 17 to the 34, so x is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 2 in equation number 2. So it is 5, x means 2, so 5 multiplied by 2 minus y is equal to 7. So 10 minus y is equal to 7. Here multiply by minus sign. These are minus y going opposite side, so they are plus y, and these are plus 7 going opposite side, they get minus 7. So y is equal to 10 minus 7, so y is equal to 3. So intersection point is x1 is 2 and y is 3. So P is 2, 3. So given required line passing through the point intersection N1 N2 and perpendicular one line, this is L3. So required line. So now equation of 3 line is L3 2x minus 5y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now slope of m1 means अभी इस लाइन का स्लोप निकलेंगे माइनस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x डिवाइड बाय कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y. So minus 2 and coefficient of y is minus 5, so minus minus plus, so m is equal to 2 divided by 5. We know that they are perpendicular to each other. वो perpendicular होगा तो slope of one line multiply by slope of another line is equal to minus 1. हमको मानेंगे m1 multiply by m2 is equal to minus 1 जब वो perpendicular होगा तो m2 with the slope of a required line, m2 is the slope of a required line, and since required line are perpendicular to L3, जो required line है वो perpendicular to L3, so m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1. We know that this is the perpendicular. Now we want to find slope of required line. So m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1, putting the value of m1, that is 2 by 5 minus 1 2 by 5, so उल्टा जाएगा 5 by 2, and these are a minus sign, so minus 5 by 2. So m2 is the slope of required line. So required line is the passing through 2, 3 and having slope minus 5 by 2. अभी हमको इंटरसेक्शन का पॉइंट मिल गया, दैट इज 2, 3. सो वो 2, 3 से पास हो रही है, एंड परपेंडिकुलर की हेल्प से हमने उस लाइन का स्लोप निकाल दिया. सो बाय यूजिंग स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म हम उस रिक्वायर्ड लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करेंगे. इक्वेशन ऑफ अ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन इन अ स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म, दैट इज y minus y1 is equal to m2 x minus x1. Now we putting the value of x1 y1 and slope. Y minus 3 is equal to minus y divided by 2 x minus 2. Now 2 are divided here, and 5 multiplied by x and 5 multiplied by 2. Now 2 multiplied by y and 2 multiplied by 3, that is 2y minus 6 minus 5x and minus minus plus, so 10. Now these term are coming opposite side, so the sign are changed. So 5x plus 2y minus 6 minus 10, so minus 6 minus 10, so we take addition, but we get the minus sign. Minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the equation of required line. This is the required equation of a line is 5x plus 2y minus 16 is equal to 0. Now perpendicular distance between 2 point and line. अभी हम डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे, मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे. जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है वो फाइंड करेंगे पॉइंट एंड लाइन. एक पॉइंट एंड लाइन का हम डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे. वन लाइन आर गिवन एक लाइन एंड हियर इज वन पॉइंट, सो वो इधर परपेंडिकुलर होगा लाइन को, लाइन के ऊपर। सो फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर कितना डिस्टेंस होगा वो फाइंड करेंगे, मीन्स लाइन टू पॉइंट हम डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे। नाउ टेक अ थ्योरम, इफ P x1 y1 is a point and ax minus by plus c is equal to 0 is a line, then perpendicular distance of a point P from line means this point P to line, means this point P to line, or length of a perpendicular from point P on the line is given by, means उसका लाइन P to पॉइंट P टू लाइन पे है परपेंडिकुलर, तो उसका लेंथ कितना होगा ax1 प्लस by1 प्लस c डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इन मॉड। ये है उसका डिस्टेंस लाइन टू फ्रॉम पॉइंट टू लाइन, इन मॉड मीन्स ऑलवेज दे आर पॉजिटिव। तो अभी ये हम प्रूफ करेंगे। ये फॉर्मूला है, इसको भी याद रखो। ये फॉर्मूला कब यूज़ करेंगे, जब हम पॉइंट टू लाइन से, ये पॉइंट से हम एक लाइन खींचेंगे, वो परपेंडिकुलर टू द लाइन होगी, उसका डिस्टेंस करेंगे, फाइंड करेंगे पॉइंट टू द गिवन लाइन। लेट द गिवन लाइन ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 meet the x-axis at point P at y-axis। एक लाइन है वो मीट कर रही है x एक्सिस एट पॉइंट Q एंड y एक्सिस एट पॉइंट R। एक लाइन है जो मीट कर रही है x एक्सिस के ऊपर Q एंड y एक्सिस एट R। सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन। सो हमने ये फाइंड कैसे किया, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन। सो Q इज इक्वल टू माइनस C बाई A 0 एंड R इज अ 0 माइनस C बाई B। ये कैसे फाइंड किया, बाय यूजिंग दिस लाइन इक्वेशन। ये लाइन का इक्वेशन है, ये ax प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0। ना अभी हम x इंटरसेप्ट फाइंड करेंगे, तो हम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, पुटिंग y is equal to 0. So now here put the value of y is equal to 0. So ax plus c is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus c आएगा ना, here c is plus, so minus c and ar multiply by x, so divide, so minus c by a आएगा। Now we are finding the y intercept, means here we are finding y intercept. So putting x is equal to 0, so ये 0 आएगा। Now CR here plus, so going opposite side, so they get minus sign, and y is equal to minus c by b, because b are multiply here, so going opposite side they are divided, so minus c by b. And here point y is 0 because value of y is 0 and here value of x is 0. So point q is minus c by a 0 and r is 0 minus c by b. Now here P is a point xy and perpendicular to the given line. Now P and Q are, this is the value of P and Q. Draw P n perpendicular to the QR. Now draw P to n, here P to n perpendicular to the QR. This is a perpendicular to the QR. Now area of a triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR. We know that area of a triangle PQR means half of this mod x1 y1 1 1 1 and there are the coefficients. ये हमने स्टडी किया है इन यूनिट 2 में कि एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ mod x1 y1 1. Now x coefficient and y coefficient xy, x coefficient minus c by a and 0, here 0. Now y coefficient is 0 and minus c by b. Now we are solving this determinant. सॉरी यूनिट 1 में हमने पढ़ा था. Now this half. Now we take first row and first column. So 0 multiplied by 1 means 0, minus this multiplication, so minus minus plus c by b. Now we take y1, so first row and second column, so minus ca multiplied by 1, that is minus c by a. 1 multiplied by 0 means 0. Now we take 1, so this multiplication minus c by a multiplied by minus c by b means minus minus plus c square a by b minus 0. 0 multiplied by 0 means 0. Now value is x multiplied by this, so cx divided by b plus cy divided by a plus c square divided by b. Now here multiply and divide a by b. Here also multiply and divide a by b. Here also multiply divided by a by b. Here this b and this b are cancelled. Here a and a are cancelled. Here b and b are cancelled. So same as it is. ये as it is रहेगा. Now we write c ax1, c by1 and c square a by b. So we are common outside c a by b. Here also c a by b. Here also c a by b common outside. So remaining is ax1 by1 plus c. Now we know that area of a triangle is half of base and length. We know that area of triangle is base multiplied by length, half of base multiplied by length. So base multiplied by length means QR multiplied by PN. So we know that PR. Now here QR by using distance formula, Q to R by using distance formula apply करेंगे, that is under root 0 minus means x minus y square, x square plus y square, so 0 plus c by a square plus minus c by b minus 0 whole square, so c square a square plus c square b square and multiply by Pn. Now here also we are multiply by b square and here multiply and divide a square. So now here base are same, so we take a addition of those. Now we common take outside c square a square plus b square divided by a square b square. So we can अंडर रूट के बाहर निकलेगा तो स्क्वायर निकल जाएगा, स्क्वायर एंड ही स्क्वायर, सो सी डिवाइडेड बाय ए बी अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय पी एन. नो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 दिस गिव इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सो 1 and 2 हाफ ऑफ सी डिवाइडेड बाय ए बी ए एक्स 1 प्लस बी वाई 1 प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ ए डिवाइडेड बाय the c divided by ab is under root a square plus b square multiplied by pn. So half and c divided by ab are get cancelled, remaining ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to under root a square plus b square multiplied by pn. Here now they are multiplied by pn going opposite side, so they are divided. So ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. So they are always in a positive. So we take here mod. So length of a perpendicular is Pn. So ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. So this is the formula for finding line to the perpendicular line point to the point from line perpendicular distance. इस distance हम ये formula से find करते हैं. Now note length of a परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन टू द लाइन, मीन्स हम ओरिजिन टू द लाइन इसका हम फाइंड करेंगे। ओरिजिन से ओरिजिन वो पॉइंट ओरिजिन पे होगा। सो ओरिजिन मीन्स x is 0 and y also are 0. So here putting the value of x and y, so c divided by x square plus b square in under root. We are putting x and y are 0. Now solving sums. Find the distance between one point and line. So here point and line are given. Now finding the distance, we are using this formula. Point is 1 minus 1 and line is 3x plus 4y minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. We know that distance of a point P x1 y1 from a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root x a square plus b square in under root. ये अंडर रूट में उसकी वैल्यू और डिस्टेंस है. सो हियर p x1 y1 मीन्स 1 minus 1 and ax b plus by plus c is equal to 0 means 3x minus 4y plus 8. So a is a 3, b is a minus 4 and c is a 8. Now putting this value in this one. So distance of this point from this line, that is a is a 3, x is 1, minus 1 4 plus c is a 8 and a is a 3 and b is a minus 4. So square take. So 3 plus 4 plus 8 under root 9 plus 16. So addition is 15 under root 25. We know that 25 means 5 square. So 5 square, so square and under root get cancelled. So remaining is 5. We know that 5 3 is a 15. So 3 unit. So this term are already in a positive. So mod निकाल देंगे. So positive ही आएगा. So distance of a 1 minus 1 from 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 is a 3 unit. No. Second example, find the length and perpendicular on the line this from point this. अभी हमको सेम करना है, लेंथ फाइंड करनी है परपेंडिकुलर की this line and point from this. So equation of line is 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is a is a 3, b is a 4 and c is equal to minus 5. And point is p x1 y1. So 3 and 4. So x1 is 3 and y1 is 4. We know that the length of a perpendicular of a point, that is this one, point px1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is given ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Now we are putting the value of a, b, c and x1 y1 in this one. So length of a perpendicular from this point on the given line. So we are putting all these value. 3 multiplied by 3 and 4 multiplied by 4 minus 4. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and 4 multiplied by 4 means 16 minus 9. 9 plus, because of 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. We know that 25 also we write 5 square. So square and under root get cancelled. So 20 divided by 5. We write 5 for the 20. So 4 under root. So 4 is a plus. So we take 4 unit. So length of a perpendicular is a 4th unit. Now, perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. अब हमने perpendicular distance हमको फाइंड करना है. अभी ये perpendicular होगा वन पॉइंट के ऊपर, तरफ हमने फाइंड किया. अभी perpendicular distance फाइंड करना है बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइन. जब वो दो पैरेलल लाइन का डिस्टेंस कितना होगा वो फाइंड किया है. अभी हमने क्या फाइंड किया, एक लाइन है जो परपेंडिकुलर पॉइंट से परपेंडिकुलर है, उसका डिस्टेंस फाइंड किया. अभी टू पैरेलल लाइन होगी उसका हम डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे बाय यूजिंग परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू लाइन्स. टेक अ थ्योरम, परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पैरेलल लाइन्स दैट इज ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax by plus c2, here c1 and c2 are difference, is equal to 0 is जिस फॉर्मूले से हम फाइंड करेंगे. ये भी ध्यान में रखो, c माइनस टू माइनस c1 डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. टेक अ मॉड. अभी हम टू पैरेलल लाइन का डिस्टेंस देखेंगे. सो दीज आर line 1 and this is line 2. So this is the distance of a line 1 and this is another line distance. So हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? ये डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है दो लाइन में का. तो हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? दिस डिस्टेंस में से ये डिस्टेंस माइनस करेंगे तो हमें ये डिस्टेंस मिलेगा. सो अभी हमने वो थ्योरम पढ़ा था उसका यूज़ करेंगे, फाइंड करेंगे पहले ये डिस्टेंस, बाद में फाइंड करेंगे ये डिस्टेंस और माइनस करेंगे दोनों को तो हमको ये डिस्टेंस मिल जाएगा. नाउ टू प्रूफ दैट ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 be the equation of a two parallel lines px, pq and rs respectively. pq and rs both are parallel to each other. This equation and this is equation. So parallel line have a same slope, their equation different only in the term of constant. So they are parallel, so their slope is same, only difference in a constant, only difference है constant में. Draw OL and OM perpendicular from origin to PQ and RS. हम O to M and O to M हम ड्रॉ करेंगे परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम ओरिजिन टू PQ एंड RS पे हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन PR एंड RN इज अ LM. हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू लाइन्स मीन्स हमको LM फाइंड करना है. तो LM कैसे फाइंड होगा? OM minus OL, so they give LM. So LM is OM minus OL means P1 and P2. This is the distance is P1 and this distance is P2. So P2 minus P1 gives ML LM. So using the formula of a distance of the point from the line, that is P1 मीन्स OL, डिस्टेंस फार्मूला हम यूज करेंगे पॉइंट टू द लाइन का डिस्टेंस, मतलब अभी हमने जो थ्योरम देखा था उसका यूज करेंगे. सो पॉइंट इज द ओरिजिन मीन 0 0. सो x इज 0 एंड y आल्सो 0 बिकॉज ऑफ पॉइंट इज द ओरिजिन. सो ये 0 होगा c1 डिवाइडेड बाय a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर एंड हियर ऑल्सो पॉइंट्स आर 0 0. सो c2 divided by under root a square plus b square. So both are in a mod. So we are giving p1 is in a mod c1 divided by under root a square plus b square and p2 is under root c2 divided by a square plus b square. Now putting these p1 and p2 value in equation number 1 means in this one, so giving the value of LM. LM is equal to p2 minus p1. We are both the value of put here. So now here base are same, दोनों का बेस सेम है तो we take, हम अब इसका सब्सट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं. सो c2 minus c1 divided by under root a square plus b square. Take mod. So this value is also always positive. So this is a proof. The perpendicular distance between parallel line ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0, that is in mod c2 minus c1 divided by under root a square plus b square. ठीक है, टू लाइन पैरेलल होगी तो उसका डिस्टेंस फाइंड करने के लिए हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. तो टेक वन प्रॉब्लम सम्स फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू लाइन. हम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू लाइन फाइंड करेंगे. सो लाइन 1 एंड लाइन 2. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and another is 6x plus 4y is equal to 6. Now here we are dividing by 2 on both sides. Equation 2 we are dividing by 2. So 6 by 2 x plus 4 by 2 y is equal to 6 by 2. So they are given 3x plus 2y is equal to 3. So अभी इन दिस एग्जाम्पल में हमको क्या करना है, ये x प्लस ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई हियर ऑल्सो ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई सेम लाना है. हमको a एंड b आर सेम लाना है. दोनों लाइन के इक्वेशन में ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई हमको सेम लाना है. हियर ऑल्सो वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 3 एंड हियर ऑल्सो वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 3. हम अगर ये लेते हैं तो हियर वैल्यू a इज वैल्यू 6. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो हमको दोनों में सेम लिखना है और कांस्टेंट डिफरेंट आएगा तो भी चलेगा. नो which are of the form is ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and another is also ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. So a is a 3 and b is equal to 2. So c1 is minus 5 and c2 is minus 3. Putting in that equation, we now the distance between two parallel lines, this and this line, is a under root c2 minus in a mod c2 minus c1 divided by under root a2 plus a square. So distance between 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 3, that is minus 3 minus minus 5 minus minus plus 5, 3 square plus 2 square, 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. Minus 3 plus 5 means 2 by under root 3. So they are positive, always positive. So mod निकाल देंगे. So 2 by under root 13. So distance between two lines is 2 by under root 13. Now next example, find the distance between parallel lines. अब ये parallel line है, उसका हम distance find करेंगे. So line 1 and line 2 are given. Now we can also here a are not same and b also not same. So now we are dividing by 2. So they give 2x plus 3y minus divided by 3 divide 3 करेंगे. So 2x plus 3y minus 10 by 3 is equal to 0. From equation 1 and 3 ax plus by इस फॉर्म में लिखेंगे ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. So a is a 2, b is a 3, c is 7 and c2 is a minus 10 by 3. Now distance between two parallel lines are ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0, that is c2 minus c1 divided by under root a square plus b square. The distance between given line these 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 10 by 3 is equal to 0, that is c2 is minus 10 by 3 minus 7. So 3 multiplied by 7 minus 10 and under root a square plus b square, that is 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So here 10 minus 10 minus 21, so that is a 31 divided by 3 and this equation divided by under root 4 plus 9. These 3 are divided here also, so they are multiplied by this one. So minus 31 divided by 3 under root 13. So 9 plus 4 means 13. So under root 13. So they are minus sign. So mod take always positive sign. So the mod निकल जाएगा means 31 plus 31 divided by 3 under root 13 unit. So the distance between two lines are 31 divided by 3 under root 13. Now this is first example for you to solving, and second also you. These are homework for you, all of you. In this example, find the equation of line passing through the point intersection. Two equation है, and one point. So this is also for you. And here is in this example also, find the equation of line passing through the intersection 2 point and parallel to another line. And here find the equation of straight line passing through intersection, दो लाइन जो इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है वो, एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू अनदर लाइन, परपेंडिकुलर है. नाउ हियर आल्सो परपेंडिकुलर टू अनदर लाइन सेम. एंड फाइंड द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. अभी हमने देखा वो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है. एंड हियर आल्सो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. नाउ फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइन. अब लास्ट एग्जांपल में हम देखा वही पैरेलल लाइन का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ द फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन लाइन. और हियर आल्सो लाइन का, दो लाइन में का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे. सो नाउ स्टॉप हियर. हियर यूनिट 3 इज कंप्लीटेड. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर we are starting unit 4, that is a mensuration.